Jai Hind everyone, here I am Nikhil. As you all saw the thumbnail, that is about the journey of King Kohli, inspiration of millions of people, and I am one of them. So in this video, I gonna tell you about the world famous cricketer from Indian cricket team. The player not only known for his batting and records, but also for his aggression and passion. So I will do voiceover in this upcoming fascinating video so that you will fully enjoy. So let's hit the road. Era of Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli was born on 5 November 1988 in Delhi, India. When he was just 7 years old, he started playing cricket. When his father saw his passion towards cricket, he took him to the academy. The name of the academy is Best Delhi Cricket Academy. When he joined this academy, he was just 9 years old. Under the guidance of coach Rajkumar Sharma, Kohli honed his skills and made rapid progress. And then he played for Delhi under 15, under 17 and under 19 team. Name of his father is Prem Kohli and his mother Saroj Kohli and his childhood coach Rajkumar Sharma. Virat Kohli made his international debut for the Indian cricket team in One Day International on August 18, 2008 against Sri Lanka. Virat Kohli was appointed as the captain of the Indian cricket team in 2017, taking over from MS Dhoni. His aggressive and passionate leadership style has been instrumental in India's success in all formats of the game. Under his captaincy, India has achieved several notable victories, including Test series win against England, South Africa and Australia. Kohli has also led India to the finals of the 2017 Champions Trophy and the semi-finals of 2019 World Cup. Leading by example, Kohli is known for his aggressive and passionate style of play, and he leads by example on the field. He is one of the best batsmen in the world and has consistently performed high level in all formats of the game. Kohli's dedication to fitness and training has also inspired his teammates to adopt healthier lifestyle. He is a role model for young cricketers in and around the world. As I told you, Virat Kohli made his international debut in One Day International on 18 August 2008 and he made his T20I international debut on 12 June 2010. And in Test cricket, he made his international debut on 20 June 2011. And if I talk about his IPL debut, he made his IPL debut on 18 April 2008. Why his captaincy known for aggression? The most fascinating part. You all can see these pics that shows why he is known for aggression. So if I talk about his point of view, he said, if you gonna give it, you have to take it back. So this is called sledging, and most of the cricket teams like Australia, England and South Africa are afraid to sledge when Kohli is on the field. International records. Fastest to reach 10k ODI runs, fastest to reach 8k, 9k, 11k, 12k and 13k ODI runs. Most as double century 7 by an Indian, fastest to score 26k international runs over 80 international centuries. And on the left side, Virat Kohli bowed down in front of his idol Sachin Tendulkar after breaking his record of 49 centuries. Indian Premier League, basically IPL records. Most runs in the IPL 8K runs, most centuries in the IPL 8, most runs in a single edition of the IPL 973 runs in 2016. IPL career. Virat Kohli has been an integral part of the Indian Premier League since its inception in 2008, representing Royal Challengers Bangalore (RCB) and displaying consistent performance as batsman and captain. And he is the only player in the IPL who is representing only single franchise for 17 years. You can imagine what loyalty means to him. If I tell you the another record, that is, Virat Kohli is the only player in the world who has won all the ICC trophies: Under 19 World Cup, Champions Trophy, ODI World Cup, and T20 World Cup. Virat Kohli also owned by national owners. Arjuna Award in 2013, Padma Shri in 2017, Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award in 2018. Jersey number 18. If I talk about coincidence, then it was the number given to him when he played the ICC Under 19 World Cup in 2008, and no special emotion is associated with it. But the coincidence is his father, Prem Kohli, hit the bucket on 18 December 2006, and Virat Kohli made his debut on 18 August 2008. Off the field. Personal life. Virat Kohli wed Bollywood actress Anushka Sharma, and they are blessed with a daughter, Vamika, and a son, Akai. Rise to stardom. Kohli has started charging 14 crore per Instagram post. He is now world's fourth most costly and third most followed sport person on Instagram, just behind Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, and Neymar. Among other Indians, Priyanka Chopra is charging 3.5 crore per Instagram post. The former Indian skipper, who has 271 million followers on the social media platform, charges $16,09,678, which means the three other sportspersons above him in the list are Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi. Brand Ambassador. Virat Kohli is a brand ambassador of numerous of companies. Here are some lists. Brands owned by Virat Kohli. Charity work. Kohli is actively involved in various charitable initiatives. He has been associated with Smile Foundation, an NGO that works for the welfare of underprivileged children, and has also supported the cause of education for the girl child. That's all from my side. If you find this video interesting, then like the video and subscribe my channel. And if you want me to make more videos on other creators like MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma, you may comment below. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.